Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. Today's video is all about how you can change your OpenAI account's password. Now let's get started. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and also press the notification bell icon so that you won't be missing any of the upcoming updates or videos in the future. Now let's get back to the video. Firstly, open your Google search and type in OpenAI login and make a search. It will take you to the official page of OpenAI. Enter your email address and press on continue. Click on Forgot Password. On the next page, enter your email address to receive an instruction to reset your password and tap on continue. Check your email. Click on the mail sent by OpenAI and tap on Reset Password. It will take you to the page where you can reset your password. Enter your new password and confirm your new password by re-entering it. Now tap on Reset Password. Remember that your password must contain at least 8 characters. This is how you can change your OpenAI account's password quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.